Hello everyone, welcome to Cool Products. Today I would be unboxing FreeToFly full proportion monster truck. FreeToFly is a well-renowned brand in China which is well known for manufacturing toys, especially for kids in the age groups of 5 to 15 years old. This is one of their well-rated products. This is known as full proportion monster truck with a high speed, and this comes with an 2.4 GHz remote control and fully independent suspension. This has a trigger, like the remote has a trigger as well as a steering wheel which can be used to control the monster truck. Now let me unbox this and show you like how this truck works, and let me run it on inside my home and show you like how the truck works. Now I provided an instruction manual. You can see like this looks very colorful and the build quality is very good. Now let me open this. You can see the remote control over here. I might have to cut it, just give me a minute. I inserted the battery for the remote. Now let me connect the battery over here. Once you connect this, you just place them here. You can close the Now let me provide a demo of this. As you can see, like this is a very beautiful car and I have a remote in my hand. You can see like whenever you turn on this, like there is a indicator light like first time when you turn on this, and here is the steering wheel. This is the trigger to start the car. Now let me start the car. Now in order to get it reverse, you can see like you just have to pull the trigger up and you can use the steering wheel here just to turn it, and now let me get it. I got it back. You can see it. This is very good, like it has very good controls. Now let me get it back to me. You can see like this is very good. It has a very good controls, robust controls, especially the reverse key is very good, like which is very rare in many of the products which come at a lesser price like this. You can see the build quality is very good, especially even though I'm hitting it, like this works perfectly. I recommend this product to everyone, especially if you have kids. Like this would be a memorable gift for them in this Christmas season. This comes at an affordable price. You can buy this from Amazon, and it has very good reviews on Amazon as well.